Thanks for your interest in the demo. Black Duck Software is excited to show you what you can do with our Visual Studio 2010 Code Search plugin. This short video highlights the key features that will let you accelerate your code development. Black Duck provides products and services that help companies manage their use of open source components in development. We help reduce the risk of reusing code, thus allowing you to develop faster. Our products leverage an enormous database of open source code and have allowed us to build up an impressive global customer base. Today, building software applications is much more about cleverly stitching components together than writing code from scratch. Why reinvent the wheel when you can be focusing your energies on creating unique, valuable features? Especially if you work in a large organization, there's plenty of code behind the firewall that you can potentially leverage. And increasingly, developers are looking outside the company for suitable open source components. How do you sort through all the code your company houses across its different SCM systems, let alone the billions of lines of code on the internet? Black Duck's Code Search technology is the answer, and the Visual Studio Code Search plugin allows you to find whatever you need from the comfort of your very own favorite IDE. Let me show you how the plugin helps me find code, both inside my company and in the enormous collection of open source code cataloged by the Coders.com search engine. Here I am in Visual Studio, and I'm writing some code to implement an optimization algorithm known as the knapsack. I'll use this scenario to show off the Code Search plugin Smart Search feature. I begin to write my class, and as I type, Smart Search automatically, in the background, searches through billions of lines of code. It's looking for a match with the knapsack class I'm defining, and it brings up a link when it's found something. Clicking on the link then brings me to the matching results. Reviewing the coder's results, I discover that there are a number of classes that match my search written in C#, my language of choice. I'm scanning through the results. Here's some code that looks like a textbook example. I click down in, and inspecting the code further, I think it may be exactly what I'm looking for. I can see where the code is housed, SourceForge in this case, and I'm comfortable that the licensing for this code is compatible with my application and with my company's policies for code use, so I'd like to bring it into the class I'm defining and try it out. I just copy, and now paste without ever leaving the Visual Studio environment. As an alternative to Smart Search, I have a conventional search bar at the bottom into which I can type text. For example, I can search for the word cash. As you can see, the results show lots of interface, class, and method definitions. Let's quickly look at how easy the plugin is to configure. We've been looking at search results from all the open source projects cataloged on the Coders site, but I also have the option to search for code others in my company have developed. Here I can configure Smart Search to look for open source, our own internal code, or both. And here's where I specify the URL of the actual code site search engine that's configured to search across my company's various SCM systems. As you can see, Black Duck's Code Search plugin makes it a snap to find the code you need without ever leaving the Visual Studio 2010 environment. You can search inside your company or for open source code. Either way, you'll code more, faster, and perhaps you'll become rich and famous. These code search capabilities are integrated with the Black Duck suite of products that help you not only find the right code, but also pick code that's secure, supportable, and won't compromise any of your proprietary intellectual property. Thanks for your interest in the demo. Contact us for more information or go right to the URLs listed here to download. Happy coding.